Ever wondered what motivates people more, the journey or the destination? Or in other words, the hustle or the money? Well, let's unravel this enigma together, shall we? It's no secret that money is often seen as a significant motivator. It's the fuel that drives the machinery of our lives, pushing us to rise and grind each day. Yet, the perception of money is as varied as the people who chase it. For some, money is a necessary evil. It's the bitter pill we swallow to ensure our survival in this bustling world. It's the rent we pay, the food we eat, the clothes we wear. It's the invisible hand that keeps the world turning, the silent partner in every transaction, the unsung hero of our everyday lives. On the other hand, there are those who view money as a means to an end. For them, money is not the goal, but the vehicle that transports them to their desired destination. It's the key that unlocks opportunities, the bridge that connects dreams to reality. It's the magic wand that transforms the ordinary into extraordinary, enabling them to live the life they've always envisioned. Then, there are those who see money as a goal in itself. They're the ones who equate success with wealth, who measure their worth in terms of their bank balance. To them, money is not just a tool or a necessity. It's a trophy to be won, a benchmark to be achieved, a testament to their hard work and determination. Money, then, is a multifaceted entity, a prism reflecting different hues depending on one's perspective. It can be a chore, a tool, or a reward, depending on who you ask. But despite these differences, one thing remains constant: the undeniable influence of money in shaping our motivations, our actions, and ultimately our lives. So let's dive into the intriguing world of money and motivation. Speaking of money and motivation, we can't miss out on the story of a man who has been shaking the world with his ventures, Elon Musk. Born into a middle-class family in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk was a voracious reader and self-taught coder from an early age. But his journey was not without its trials. From being bullied as a child to facing numerous setbacks in his career, Musk's story is one of resilience and a relentless pursuit of his vision. Then came Zip2, his first venture, a software company providing business directories and maps for newspapers. Musk and his brother Kimball started Zip2 with a grand vision, but little money. They couldn't even afford an apartment and had to sleep in their office. But the sacrifice paid off. Compaq acquired Zip2 for over $300 million in 1999, providing Musk with his first big payday. But Musk didn't stop there. He went on to co-found PayPal, which was sold to eBay for a whopping $1.5 billion. But Musk didn't just sit back and enjoy his fortune. Instead, he risked it all to fund SpaceX, Tesla, and SolarCity. His vision? To revolutionize transportation both on Earth and in space, and to make sustainable energy mainstream. Musk's relationship with money is quite unique. For him, money is not an end in itself, but a means to an end. He once said, "I want to be able to think about the future and feel good about it." He sees money as a tool to achieve his grand visions, whether it's colonizing Mars or creating a sustainable future on Earth. His journey to becoming one of the richest people on the planet was not a smooth one. He was on the brink of bankruptcy in 2008, when SpaceX and Tesla were both struggling. But he never gave up. His breakthrough came when SpaceX won a $1.6 billion contract from NASA and Tesla's Model S became a huge success. Despite his enormous wealth, Musk maintains a relatively modest lifestyle. He has pledged to use half of his wealth to help problems on Earth, and the other half to help establish a self-sustaining city on Mars. He is not driven by material possessions, but by the desire to make a significant impact on humanity. So, for Musk, it's not just about the money, it's about making a difference. His story is a testament to the fact that when you're driven by a powerful vision, money becomes a tool to realize that vision, not the ultimate goal. Musk's journey is not just about becoming wealthy, but about using that wealth to create a future that is beneficial for all of humanity. Now that we've seen how money motivates a visionary like Elon Musk, let's explore how money motivates the average person. Money, that elusive yet essential entity, it's often seen as a symbol of success and freedom. But how does it motivate us, the so-called average person? Research has a lot to say on this. Let's dive in. A study by Princeton University found that money does increase happiness up to a point. That point? About $75,000 a year. Beyond this, more money doesn't necessarily equate to more happiness, but it does provide a sense of security and reduces stress, which can be highly motivating. Then there's the status symbol aspect. Money often comes with a certain prestige, a recognition of success. It's not so much about the material possessions one can buy, but rather the validation that one's efforts are being recognized and rewarded. This can drive people to work harder, to strive for that next promotion, or to take on that extra project. But it's not just about the individual. Money can also motivate us to help others. Studies show that people who can comfortably meet their own needs are more likely to give to charity. The desire to make a positive impact can be a potent motivator, pushing us to earn more so we can give more. Yet it's important to note that money isn't the be-all and end-all. It's a tool, a means to an end. For many, the true motivators are the experiences that money can provide, like travel, education, or the freedom to pursue a passion. So is money a motivator? Absolutely. It's a motivator to push harder, to reach higher, to strive for more. It's a motivator to create a better life for ourselves and for others. But it's also a reminder that success isn't measured in dollar signs alone. So, while money might not be the ultimate motivator for everyone, it certainly plays a significant role in driving people to achieve their goals. But is money the only thing that should drive us? What about passion and satisfaction? Now that's a question that keeps many of us up at night. We all want to make money, sure, but what about the thrill of doing something we truly love? How do we strike a balance between the two? Well, let's take a step back and think about this. Imagine you're making a ton of money, but you're stuck in a job that drains your spirit. You wake up every morning dreading the day ahead. That's not living, that's just existing. On the other hand, doing what you love without making enough to get by can leave you stressed and struggling, which can take the joy out of your passion. So, what's the secret? The sweet spot lies in merging your passion with your monetary goals. It's about finding that one thing you love doing and then figuring out how to make it profitable. Let's look at successful entrepreneurs. They didn't just chase money blindly. They found something they were passionate about and then built a business around it. They turned their passion into their paycheck. And that's the key. We're not saying it's easy. It requires creativity, hard work, and resilience. It requires you to step out of your comfort zone, to take risks, and to face failure. But isn't that what makes life exciting and worth living? At the end of the day, it's about finding a purpose, something that gives your life meaning and makes you jump out of bed every morning with excitement. And remember, success is not just measured in dollars and cents. It's also about the satisfaction you get from doing what you love, the difference you make, and the lives you touch. It's about creating something you're proud of. In the end, it's not just about the money, but about finding fulfillment and meaning in what we do. So find your passion, make it profitable, and you'll have the best of both worlds. So, what have we learned today about money and motivation? We've taken a deep dive into the world of money, unraveling its mysteries and understanding its power as a motivator. We've seen how it's not just a means to an end, but a driving force that can propel us to reach unimaginable heights. We journeyed through the life of Elon Musk, an epitome of how money, channeled correctly, can fuel innovation and create a better future. His story showed us that money in the right hands can indeed be a force for good. We also discussed the delicate balance between money and passion. It's important to remember that while money can provide us with the resources to pursue our passions, it should never overshadow the importance of fulfillment and joy derived from doing what we love. Remember, money can be a powerful motivator, but it's also important to seek fulfillment and passion in our pursuits. After all, life is not just about the destination, but also about the journey.